This is the return of Nibaru, Wormwood, Planet X, and its whole entire system. Boy, what's the government going to tell the people now, huh? Can't lie no more.
Okay, check this rainbow out. That's a half a moon. Okay, just a perfect... Well, it makes a full circle, but you can only see half of it. So I'm wondering as if that's the reflection off of Planet X. Because see, down here, you got another rainbow, okay? And on the other side, you got another rainbow, which is on the other side of the building. So there's 3 separate individual rainbows. One perfect circle around the sun, half a moon up here, and then another rainbow on the other side of the building, which I'll just walk to the other side just to show you that it is there. Now, these are the signs in the heavens, right?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, when have you ever seen a rainbow like this? That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. A triple rainbow. Wow. I've seen a double rainbow, and I've been at the end of the rainbow, but this is the shit. Oh my, signs in the heavens. Wow, a triple rainbow. Look at that.
You should see it. 1 second, guys. You should see this. We have a
3 rainbows.
circle. 3 separate